Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video let's discuss about Wipro is giving MacBook to the new joiners. So who are all the eligible for the MacBook and welcome kit, and what is inside the welcome kit, and the gratitude box and welcome kit. So before moving on to the topic, I request you to do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. So let's move on to the topic. Yeah, first of all, congratulations who have received these kind of goodies from the Wipro. So this will be for both project engineers and scholar trainees who have uh, joined work integrated learning program. So in the welcome kit, you will be receiving a coffee mug and a diary with a pen and welcome note from the Wipro, and then you will be receiving a water can, and the main thing is MacBook. So you will be receiving your MacBook. So who are all the eligible for this welcome kit? So the employees who have joined after the financial year, like April this year, so they are all receiving the welcome kit from the Wipro with MacBook. And if you are joining in next upcoming months, so you will be also receiving this kind of welcome kit from the Wipro. So don't worry about the welcome kit, you will be receiving. So next, gratitude box. Yeah, this gratitude box is for employees who have joined during the pandemic situation. So hence they are receiving this kind of gratitude box from the Wipro. In the gratitude box, again here with a flask with the temperature monitoring, and a infinity sound box and a diary, and with some sweets. They are sending sweets to the employees. So hopefully this is for only for who have joined during the pandemic and completed 1 year, so they are receiving after this year appraisal. So congratulations for both who have received welcome kit and as well as this gratitude box. So if you found this video is helpful, for more updates, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So thank you for watching.